In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up authentication in Base44. By the end, you'll have a clear, secure sign-in experience for your users using email and password, Google, and optionally single sign-on. First, open the Base44 app in your browser. When you land on the main workspace, head to the Apps section. This is where all your projects live. Choose the app you want to secure. If you manage several, pick the one currently in development so you can safely verify changes. With the app open, go to the dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your control room. It's the quickest way to access configuration areas you'll use often. From here, open Settings, then select the Authentication area. This page centralizes every sign-in method Base44 supports, so you can enable what you need and keep everything consistent. Start with email and password authentication. Enable it to let users sign up and sign in with a standard email and a secure password. This option is familiar to most users and doesn't require any external configuration. As you turn it on, consider your user experience. Make sure your onboarding and help text clearly explain what information is required and how users can access their accounts. If your audience includes non-technical users, simple, friendly copy can reduce support requests. Next, enable Google Authentication if you want one-click sign-in. In many cases, you can choose to use the default Base44 OAuth provider. This is the fastest way to get Google sign-in working without creating and managing your own OAuth credentials. Using the default provider keeps setup simple while still giving your users the convenience of signing in with their Google account. If you plan to bring your own credentials later, you can switch when you're ready without changing your user-facing flows. Once you've selected your methods, click Update to save your changes. Give the page a moment to confirm the update so everything is applied correctly. This ensures your toggles and provider selections are locked in for the app. Finally, review the single sign-on section. SSO is ideal for organizations that want users to log in with their existing company identities through providers like Okta, Azure AD, or other SAML OIDC services. You'll see configuration options here that align with enterprise requirements, such as centralized access control and enforced policies. If your team uses an identity provider, this is where you'd align Base44 with those settings. If not, you can leave SSO untouched and rely on email, password, and Google. That's it. You've navigated to your app, opened the dashboard, configured authentication with email and password, enabled Google using the default OAuth, saved your changes, and reviewed SSO for enterprise needs.